Welcome back, doodlers. Today we'll draw a daisy flower illustration using our Ohuhu markers. The colors we're gonna use are the following: BG082 Cool Gray 082, BG042 Cool Gray 042, G472 Vivid Green, G289 Yellow Green, Y397 Canaria Yellow, Y691 Melon Yellow, and YR792 Orange. So, first let's map out how much of the paper we'll use for our daisy drawing. It's okay if your lines are not that straight. Okay, now we'll draw an arc slightly above the middle of the paper. This will be our sun. Then we'll draw circles as our placement guidelines for our daisies. With one standing out in the middle. Add the leaves and stems too. Once you are satisfied with our guidelines, lightly erase them. And by the way, if you like daisies, I have other daisy drawings. I'll put the link down in the description on here in the corner. We will be using a brown pen. You can use any brand, or if you don't have brown, you can use black instead. In a stippling motion, we'll outline the donut-shaped center of our daisies. Then for the petals, draw it roughly, slightly discontinuing lines, so it'll have a more loose feel to it. And continue drawing the rest of the flowers.
Let your friends know you enjoyed watching by sharing this video.
Using a wire 79 to orange, we'll color in the middlemost of the donut shape in stippling motions. It's preferable to leave out some white spaces. Next is Y691 melon yellow, again in stippling motion. We'll color in the whole donut shape. Be sure to leave out a bit of whites. Then, using a Y397 canaria yellow, we'll add a layer of color to the outer donut shape. Get RBG08 to cool gray 08, and in stippling motion, color in the folds of the daisy flower petals. Same for the BG04 to cool gray 0 for 2, stippling motion at the folds of the daisy flower, but in a bit larger area than the darker gray. With our G47 to vivid green, color the stems and leaves of our daisy flowers.
I also have an Instagram account. Follow me at doodles_flowers.
Using the G289 yellow-green, trace the arc you've drawn in color in the top part. Next, with a gold marker, or a yellow one if you don't have any, fill in the space between the arc and the flowers.
If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave a message in the comment section below.
Draw the rays of the sun. And we're done! Thanks for watching, doodlers.
If you like this video, please click the like button, and I'd really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. To keep you updated, ring the notification bell.